Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up your free JMG group and also print certificates. So please go to our website at jmgkids.us and then you'll click on the Enroll tab at the top, which will take you to our page. So here you can see all the benefits of setting up a group for free, such as winning cool, fun, free stuff, and then also printing certificates for your kiddos in your class or in your group. So go ahead and click that orange button when you're ready. It'll take you to the enrollment system. And so it's very important that all groups will be archived at the end of July. So you'll have to re-register or register your groups after August 1st every year. But you can create a group at any point throughout the year. It doesn't have to be in August. So if this is your first time ever setting up a profile, then you'll go ahead and click, I need to set up a profile. And that will take you to this page. It is very important to note, however, that you will need to answer every single field in this section. There's literally a glitch in the system that won't let me approve you or allow you to print certificates unless you have every field filled out for yourself. Once you do that, this is what your homepage will look like. So you'll see that your address and your contact information will actually show up here. Then on the right here, you'll be able to add any other co-leaders or other teachers that are helping you with this program. They have the exact same setup when you are adding them. Don't click delete leader because for whatever reason that will literally delete your profile as well. So only use return to leader summary or continue. Now you'll be able to add your group. You can add as many groups as you like. This is what the setup looks like when adding your group. It is also important to note that all of this right here is the demographic information for your group that you'll need to insert at some point before printing certificates. If you don't have a group put together quite yet, that's okay. You can always go back to this section and edit your group. But you'll need to have this filled out before you print certificates because that is another little blocker from printing certificates. So here you can see that my group name has shown up here. And so next we'll be going to the completion tab, which is where you'll get to print certificates. So printing certificates is super fun and easy. Again, here's this little statement that's reminding me to go back and add demographic information in the group section before printing certificates. It is also important that you allow the JMG team on our end to approve you as a JMG leader as well. And that's just a quick yes or no that we do. And so we usually, I check this every day, but usually this is a pretty quick turnaround. But you'll need to be approved before printing certificates as well. So here you'll just put your first name and last name of all the students in your group. Here's a little sample group. So these are just a bunch of random names. You'll want to make sure that you have checked off all the students that you're wanting to create PDF certificates for to print later. So here you'll be able to select which type of certificate they are earning. So we have our level 1 certificates, our level 2 certificates, the JMG, LGG, and then they even have specific certificate options as well if you have a certain focus area within the main certificate type. You'll see that the date will be pre-filled, but you can also change this if needed. And then you'll click on print certificate. Once you do, this is what it'll look like. And then I'm using Google Chrome, so our downloads show up here. And then here's the PDF showing all the students that you had checked off recently or in the slide before. So all you have to do is take this whole PDF of several different certificates and send that to the printer. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at juniormastergardener@gmail.com. Thank you.